Hello, today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on Google SketchUp. Google SketchUp is a free program that Google made, and it basically allows you to make three-dimensional objects. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is go to Google and type in SketchUp. Click on the first one. Wait till it opens. Download Google SketchUp and click on the bottom one. Make sure you click on whichever computer you're running on. I'm using Mac OS X. Agree and download. I've already downloaded it. I've already downloaded it, so I'm just gonna open it up quickly. And I'm gonna make a house. Okay. For some reason, Google named this little man standing here Sang. I don't know why. So in order to draw the bottom of the house, we have to use the rectangle tool and just, use our best interest or guesstimation on how big our house wants to be. Now, in order to make the house three-dimensional, you have to use the push and pull tool, okay? Make sure you select the push and pull tool and put it over the ground that we just made. Make sure that the ground is highlighted and click and hold and pull up, okay? Now, in order to make a door, we have to get the rectangular tool again. In our best interest, just draw it however big we want the door to be. Push the door in a little bit. Now take the erase tool and I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. Well, the tool doesn't really want to work, so we'll just do it the old-fashioned way. Go to the pointer tool, select the door, press delete. Now we have to click on this little edge, press delete as well. Now what we want to do is we want to make like a little window or something weird like that. You can make a window by, drawing something like this and then deleting that so you can see Sang. You could do whatever you want with it. You could make a garage, it doesn't matter. But as you'll soon find out, triangles are actually very hard to draw for a roof. The best way that I've learned to do it was just to pull this up, or pull the rectangular up and then cut a triangle out of it and then push it back. So what I mean by that is we're going to just pull that up, so now we have a bigger house. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our pencil tool, and what Google SketchUp will do is we'll just have to put it on this line, and what it'll do is if we just run across it, it'll find the midpoint of the line. That's very helpful because instead of having to find it on your own, now we have it automatic. We're going to do it again, go back to the end point, and it's going to line it up with that automatically. And what we're going to have to do is we're going to take our push and pull tool again, select the little thing that we don't want, and just push it right out of our way. Okay, if you push it back enough, it will disappear. So now what we want to do is we want to color our house. Oops, not that. Get our orbit tool. Now, say we want our roof to be a different color than our house. As you will soon find out, you need to have your paint bucket, and say we'll just do this as an example. Well, now we don't have the same color as our house. What we have to do is we're going to go Apple Z. You have to take this pencil tool, click there, draw a straight line, just so you can separate it. Now you can paint whatever color your house you want, doesn't matter. I'm just going to go into my orange, slide this down, make it a brown. Paint my house brown. Keep on painting. Oops. And there's our house with the white roof. So now let's say you want to make like a circle or something, or a circle window. Just take your circle and just draw one. Once again, take your pointer tool and delete. Now say you want to make like a blueprint of something, and for instance you have to make like a certain amount of feet and you want to draw it to scale. That's fine. What you can do here is you take your little square tool, you just click, okay? And I'm not holding it down, I'm just freely sliding my finger across. What you're going to do is you're going to type in 4, 8, okay? try that again. 4, comma, 8. And there you go. You have a 4 by 8 little roof. Okay? Let's try this again. 5 by 7. Oops. Let's try this again. 5 by 7. And it should look something like this, but for some reason my Google SketchUp is not cooperating with me. So the first one was right though, but that's basically how you do it. Once you type something in, try with a circle, because it's a little easier. Oops. Circle, click, and I'm freely doing this. So you're gonna type in 1, and then that, and then you'll have 1 foot. Okay. What I want to do is maybe I want to make a radius of 2 feet. 2, comma, enter. Okay. So now we have a radius of, 2 feet. Okay. Delete this, make our window. Let's try it again. I'm freely doing this. 4, comma, enter, delete. As you can see, it's much easier with a circle. Now this looks like a dumb house. You have a house. Basically, it's all flat out from here. This is why I like it. It's simple, easy, and it's actually pretty fun to play around with. I hope you like this tutorial. Please rate, and subscribe.